Daily conversation sentences. Learn with me. Don't you have any respect? Don't you have any respect? क्या आपकी कोई इज्जत नहीं? Use your wits. Use your wits. अपनी अक्ल इस्तेमाल करें. I need your sympathy. I need your sympathy. मुझे आपकी हमदर्दी की ज़रूरत है. He is a spendthrift. He is a spendthrift. वो फजूल खर्च है. What to do now? What to do now? अब क्या किया जाए? Is it funny? Is it funny? क्या ये मज़ीका खेज़ है? How to solve it? How to solve it? इसे कैसे हल किया जाए? I cannot take risks. I cannot take risks. मैं रिस्क नहीं ले सकता. Give me something. Give me something. मुझे कुछ दो. What is more compulsory? What is more compulsory? ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या है? It's merely a rumor. It's merely a rumor. ये महज एक अफवाह है. Be sensible. Be sensible. समझदार बने. It's only a talk. It's only a talk. ये सिर्फ एक बात है. Feel free to speak. Feel free to speak. बिला झिझक बात करें. Stop cracking jokes. Stop cracking jokes. लतीफ़े तोड़ना बंद करें. Take it lightly. Take it lightly. इसे हल्के से लें. Hold it tightly. Hold it tightly. इसे मजबूती से पकड़ें. Keep thinking about it. Keep thinking about it. इसके बारे में सोचते रहें. I need some time. I need some time. मुझे कुछ वक्त चाहिए. You are like me. You are like me. तुम भी मेरी तरह हो. It is on you now. It is on you now. ये अब आप पर है. Take my words seriously. Take my words seriously. मेरी बातों को संजीदगी से लें. I'm in a bad state. I'm in a bad state. मेरी हालत बुरी है. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. कुछ गड़बड़ है. I want right now. I want right now. मैं अभी चाहता हूँ. He is sitting next to me. He is sitting next to me. वो मेरे पास बैठा है. How about the taste? How about the taste? और जायका कैसा है? How did you do it? How did you do it? आपने ये कैसे किया? I am sick of it. I am sick of it. तंग आ गया हूँ मैं इससे. Don't spoil the mood. Don't spoil the mood. मूड ख़राब ना करें. Do like and subscribe please.